Hello, Dave Snyder here. It is December the 6th, 2012. And real quick here, just a quick video on, this is Hurricane Sandy, a picture I got from NASA's website where they have all the images of the storms and stuff from the satellites. Okay, so this is over China. And just check this out. I don't want to make it too long here. Look at the fit in China. Hurricane Sandy. Okay, let's just focus in on this area here. Right there. I did move it, didn't I? But it's all right. It's perfect right there, I think. Okay, so let me show you up here. This here. See this line? Cuts across. See this little lake that it looks like right there? Okay. You can see that line, and you see the texture is the same on this weather, Hurricane Sandy weather as it is. It's the same texture, and you see kind of this line. All these lines are there. And then you turn on the borders. On the borders, and there you go. All that curve is there. And this is really good, really well aligned right there. Look at that right there. You see that? Okay, and then all this over here, really well aligned. Right? You can see this little desert right there. This line here, look at this one here. Okay, and then I'm going to turn on the live streaming weather right now at this very moment. This is the weather. Check this out. Look at this, how this fits right in here. This little cloud pattern here. Right in there. Up here. It's the live streaming weather. I mean, that pattern is not random. That's not just a random storm pattern on the Earth. That's just not. It's not just the storm one storm in 100 years. It's not. This shape's all over the Earth. This shape right here of Hurricane Sandy is all over in every continent pretty much. You'll find this shape right here. Okay, I'm going to show you another one in Hawaiian Islands. That I think is pretty good. Look at that. Again, Hurricane Sandy for China. Look at the borders. Look at all this right here. How it all. Let me turn the live weather off. See this? Oh, look at that. Look at the ocean floor. Right there. Nice. It should be there somewhere too. See the line? The lines are all in the right place. It goes right here. That's a perfect fit. Look at that. In live weather. So let me show you the other one. I think this one's another one. Check it out right here. That's pretty much the same shape. I think it's pretty good. You see this? You can see they don't give you a whole lot right there on the ocean floor, but you can see something there. And then you see this line here, the line here, right? This line that comes down. Right, those two lines, you can see this big line that comes through right there, and you can see them down here too a little bit. It's like they're almost like they're hiding them, but you can see, I think I can see them pretty clear. I guess that would be hard to see in the clouds crossing the other lines, crossing the other grain of the pattern. But look at that fit. It's sometimes better just to be backed out. There we go. Look at this down here. And then over here. Live streaming weather. Doesn't show much, but looks like it fits there to me. Alright, so next one, I guess we'll do a couple more. Sandy in Canada. I showed this already. Just look at this area right here. Focus on that area. Okay, this is, I call this big screen geology because you need a big screen. You have to have a big screen. I'm using a 42-inch screen. If you got at least have a 27-inch at least to see good. But look at that right there, that pattern right there. Okay, that's there. Yeah, so all of a sudden coming down with a cold or something. Damn it. See that right there? And then look at the swirl around the curve. I'm gonna turn off the borders so they're kind of in the way. Okay, let me just back it up and check it out. Look at this look at this curve around right here. Watch, it curves around and it cuts through. See this sweep that cuts through right here. Look. See the line up here? Some kind of line going across up there. You see that? Alright, this is what I want to see right here. I think that's right. Oh, that looks right in the right spot to me. Look at that. It looks like it fits there pretty good. I can see that. See that? Watch. Right here. And this one too, look. See it? Anyways, with the weather on this one, it looks real nice, usually. Fits it pretty good. Look at how the weather goes through. Damn it. That's right through here. Look at that. It's the spot. Look at that, the way it bumps up in the right spots. Look at that. Got this line there. It's all in there. Center. Look at this live weather. Right in the center. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. That's beautiful right there in the center. Look at that. Almost looks like that line might be right down here. No, it's not. I'm not even gonna move it. It goes right through, right in the right spot. Hmm. Look at that right there. Look at all this over here. Look at that fit. Look how good that fits. All this down here. See, look at that right there. That's nice. That's a pretty good alignment, I think. I think that's pretty good. Damn good. See California. Right here, San Francisco. This area right here. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Look at this right here. Look at that right there. Awesome. Look at this right here. Oh, it's right there. Right. It's Yosemite up here. That looks like the Yosemite Valley right there. Look at that. Wow. You see that it fits right there. I think I can. This big circle. Yeah, I'd say that's the same shape. And you see the line. Look at this line come across. Right there. This spot right here, I can see all that. Yep. That's kind of interesting right there. And then look right here, you can see this shape. Right. See this angle? I can see that there's a line right there for that line right there. See that in the ocean floor? There. This is a mark I always have to look for. This is if I think I got something lined up over here, if this isn't here, then it's probably not right. So it's got to be something there, and I got to see a line coming down this way right here too. And this line here coming through. That looks pretty good. I like this part too. You can see that this shape here. It's the same shape. Right here. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. You can see that, right? That fits in there perfectly. Look at this. Look at the line right here that it fits. See that big bridge in the clouds? Look at that right there. Wow. That's a really good fit of Sandy right there. I'll tell you that much. Pretty good. Let's see. In my last video, I forgot to get to this one point that I was trying to make about this work that I did over here was separate from this other work that I did over here. And when you put the two together, and I never showed what the two together were actually. You know, I didn't show that impact very clearly with Africa. I'm not working on sandy now. This isn't sandy. Okay, this one. Okay, so Africa. Right here. And then with the impact over here, that was a total separate project. Brought that up. And that's basically what you get. And do that. So this was separate deal with this crater was, I was doing something totally different from what I was doing over here. This was something I was working with this one over here. I was doing this one. I was doing this one right here. I was working on that one over there. Then this one came about a month later after this one over here, and then I brought the two together to see Africa look like that. And you can see that's pretty interesting coastline there. Look at Lake Victoria. I think this happened. I don't know if this happened here, or I think it happened where the subduction is. This is where the subduction is. That's right. This is where the subduction is. Look at that big circle. Watch. See that? You can see the whole circle. It goes all the way around. All the way around. And then it just fits with Africa just perfectly. And then you see here's the double impacting I was talking about before. See this circle, the two circles, this circle and this circle on the moon. Let's point that out. Look at this right here, just looks like this. The moon hits the Earth, there's no doubt about it. That picture of the of Hurricane Sandy, that is just, it looks just like the moon. It just blows me away because you can see, if I put it over the moon, you can see every detail. Seriously, every detail. And it goes right here in this crater. Look at that. Look at Africa. And the moon. So anyways, I want to point that out, and I'll put Japan there now. Yep, same thing. Right here. Look at this. That's pretty good. Happens where the subduction is. Alright, I just want to point that China one out really in the beginning. Alright, have a good day.